Hello everyone, welcome to Boston Campus YouTube channel. My name is Sagar Joshi and today I'm going to tell you how to introduce yourself in English. This video would be small but very informative, especially those who are thinking to give their introduction in English and as well as those who are thinking to learn spoken English. So I'm going to introduce myself in my way. So first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity for introduce myself. My name is Sagar Joshi and I am from Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my intermediate in 2019 and now I am doing graduation as well as I am learning spoken English in Boston campus. If I talk about my family, so there are 6 members in my family. We are 4 siblings, 2 brothers and 2 sisters. My father is a hard worker and my mother is a housewife. If I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are listening music and doing study. If I mention about my goal, so I want to be a civil servant in my life. That is my big goal which I want to achieve. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So these were some lines which you can use in your introduction. Normally we introduce like this. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video would be informative who are watching this video. So thank you so much.